Hello guys, time for sharing with you guys this Temu $0 haul unboxing. Use my code ALB636536 for gifts at $0 through this link https://temu.com/ESRPCHPP7JK. If you also want these stuff in $0, all you need to do is type my referral code through the given link and get Temu gifts. So now I will show you guys what all I got through this Temu app. A blue quilted for makeup bag with a handle. Also, it has inside a zip to keep smaller stuff in it. Another gift was the red color polka dot fashion bag. Actual cost is 14.19 Saudi riyals. Another gift was a pink color, cute, fashionable, and charming small handbag. Isn't it cute? This cute little cat-shaped handbag is easy for small girls to carry and take outside. Now let me show you how to tie this handle. Now next is the sight word learning cards with pictures consisting of 27 sheet cards. Using ABC flashcards helps young children learn letter recognition, phonic sounds, and early vocabulary. Common learning activities include matching upper and lowercase letters, playing memory games, and matching cards to objects around the room. Show a card, name the letter, and say its distinct phonic sound for the child to repeat. These flashcards are very helpful for kids in learning phonics along with vocabulary. We can fix these flashcards in this yellow ring to make it look like a mini book. I found this flashcards mini perfect for preschooler. So these are few things which I got from Temu. Now let me show you the use of these Temu products. You can use this makeup bag at home or even as traveling kit by keeping your essentials. Now in here in this bag we got 2 sticking pads. We can use these sticking pads according to our requirements. Now, this is a small demo for you guys what essentials we can keep in this makeup bag. This small zip is very beneficial to keep smaller stuff like safety pins, bands, or any other small items. Now, coming back to this polka dot fashionable Minnie Mouse side bag is we'll show you what can be kept inside it. Absolutely amazing and cute. Now moving on to next is this mini cat side bag. Adding some small creams and lip gloss or lip balm can be truly fit in this mini cat side bag. Also, we can add a mini coin bag in this mini bag itself. So guys, if you are also interested to go for these cute shopping stuff, use my referral code, ALB636536, only through the given link in the description box.